Well, good afternoon. Today is August the 3rd. Our puppies are 5 weeks old and we're getting ready for their first bath. Just introducing them to about an inch of water so they won't be totally frightened when we get them completely wet. So that is Thelma on the left and Louise on the right. And they're just kind of checking it out here. So your pictures today will be of wet babies. Hi, girls. Hello, baby girl. And the water's really warm. So we just kind of start slow so that they don't get scared. Hi, Louise. Aren't you a pretty girl? And there's Thelma. What's up? What's up, Thelma? Hi, honey. Hi. Well, just another milestone in our day. So we'll be back next week.